What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend Matic as well as Ethereum. Ethereum is starting to break out. So we're sitting at $1.14, down 0.42 on the day. Seeing a market cap of 10.07 billion. 24-hour volume, 298 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to BREAKOUT, sign up, grab up to 8K in bonuses or Bybit. Up to 30K in bonuses. Do the majority of my trading here on BREAKOUT. Email me or sign up email. I'll give you completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto, dropping signals completely for free if you sign up to one of the exchanges. So let's take a look at Matic. So it's following our wave count. We called the ABC correction into a wave 2. We pushed up in a wave 1. We held the wave 2 pullback, even though it was super deep, but basically a 99% retracement of wave 1 with that wick. And now you're starting to push up. It looks like we're going to push up in that wave 3. So we have a target of 115. You pull back in a 4, and you complete the wave 5, which could potentially complete the larger wave 3 here in orange. Either that or this red wave count will only be the wave 1 of the wave 3, and you'll see an extended larger wave 3 that will take you higher than $1.27. Definitely possible, but right now we are breaking that B wave high, which is a good signal. So if we push up to 115, then higher likelihood you will see continuation and eventually come up to 127. Taking a look at the weekly time frame, I posted this in the Discord. If we do see a nice push up going into next week, you will see the bullish cross of the 20 EMA over the 55, which will be a massive sign of strength. And already I think the bottom is in, definitely for Matic, but that's even a more strong signal that the bottom is in, and you're going to come up and break those all-time highs. As I showed you previously, maybe I can see it here on Binance. The last time we had the bullish cross was down here. This is the weekly time frame, December 2020. After we printed that bullish cross, Matic appreciated 17,000% on that extremely succulent bull run. So we're about to print that bullish cross once again. So that's a very good sign for the bullish case, in my opinion. Taking a look at Ethereum, as you can see, we're seeing a nice push up today. If you pop over to the 4-hour time frame, you can see some nice volume stepped in. Now we do need to break these highs. We need to see a clear break of these highs. If we can hold this retest and see continuation, then the technical target of this large inverse head and shoulders is 2742. Taking a look at the wave count, we pushed up in a juicy 1, 2, 3. We met the 1.618, so we may pull back in a 4 and then push up in a 5. And as long as we can hold a 3-wave pullback, then we'll definitely see continuation. So what I'm looking at is you're going to push up in a wave 1, wave 2, and then you push up in a 3, 4, 5 to complete that larger wave 3, which is here in green, with a price target of 2021. And for anybody that's new to Elliott Wave, take your trend-based extension from the bottom of the wave 1 to the top, to the bottom of the wave 2, and your 1.618 is the target for your wave 3. Of course, it can overextend, but usually it reaches the 1.618, which is sitting at 2021. Hope 2021 was a good year for you guys. That was during COVID. For some people, it changed their life, and for some people, it was extremely challenging, but we all made it to 2023. So let's stay strong and reach our goals. That's my motivational speech for this one. So corny. So it's looking good. As long as we can see continuation, we should see Matic push up to 115. Of course, anything can happen. If we get rejected, if there's sell-off, if we lose these lows, then it means the wave 2 isn't finished yet. But the higher probability right now is seeing that continuation to the upside, especially with this ETH breakout. And especially if we can clear these highs, we have a daily close above these local highs, then we're good to go for continuation. If we break down, we lose this support, then we'll have to deal with that, cross that bridge when it comes, and we could break back underneath the neckline. But as of right now, we can focus on the continuation scenario, especially if Ethereum can hold a wave 4 pullback. If we do see the wave 4 pullback from here, which there is definitely a good chance. Let me quickly remove these fibs so I can give you a target zone that needs to hold for the wave 4 to keep it valid. Take your fib retracement from the bottom of wave 2 to the top of the wave 3, and we've already met the minimum target for the wave 4. The maximum target is the 0.5 on the fib, so here's your maximum target to maintain this wave count, 1828. As long as we can bounce before then we're looking good for a continuation to the upside. We'll have to see how it plays out. We're still range bound, so until we can break this range, then we don't have confirmation. But as of right now, we have a beautiful 3-wave move to the upside. Currently, we're in a trade, which I gave a signal for in the Discord for only 10 USD per month. All other chat rooms are free. If you sign up to one of the exchanges, email me your sign up email. All chat rooms are free. We have over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And at 10 USD, early access to my analysis, my trade signals, which can be very helpful along your journey. And crypto news members like to post their profits in here. As you can see, they're making some juicy gains, a nice 225% profit. Mahado all plays. It's only $10 a month. You really can't beat it. You might as well check it out. Better than buying a Big Mac meal, as I always like to say. Make sure to sign up if you'd like to. No pressure. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.